Video to fix the black screen problem when streaming browser videos over Discord. And if your friends can hear audio but only see a black screen while you share your screen, this video is for you. Are you facing this issue where YouTube, Netflix, or other browser videos refuse to show on Discord screen share even though everything looks fine on your PC? This problem usually happens because of hardware acceleration conflicts, browser protection settings, DRM limits, or Discord video capture settings that block the video output. Most fixes you see on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of mixed steps that do not clearly explain what actually works. Some even ask you to install extra tools or change risky system settings. On Rexish, I keep it simple and practical. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that fixes the Discord black screen while streaming browser videos without reinstalling Discord or changing your account. This method adjusts the right browser and Discord settings, so screen sharing works normally again in just a few minutes. It works on Windows 11 and Windows 10, supports Chrome, Edge, and Firefox, and keeps your system safe. If Discord screen share shows only a black screen when playing browser videos, and it is ruining movie nights or watch parties, this fix can solve it fast. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to change and where to click, comment below and let Rexish know, and I will guide you until your Discord screen share works perfectly again without black screen issues.